Today is a very proud and momentous day. We have launched Prati Intai Saksharta, the National Digital Literacy Mission IT Mass Literacy Program at Telangana. It will be carried in the 4 districts, which are Mehboob Nagar, Karim Nagar, Nalgonda and Medak. And the objective of this program is to make one member of the family digital literate. And to start the program, there will be a survey procedure which will try to find the most prospective candidate within the family. The members of the family, especially the women and the children and the youth who would act as mission bearers, would be the key audience we are looking forward to. And going forward, this mission will pave the way to not only ensure that one digital literate in the family ensures the other members of the family are taught, but at the same time it would involve the people base at Telangana to take maximum services from the government through the electronic mode, and also help themselves with all facilities which are provided through various schemes by the side of government or from the side of the private organization and enterprises at their doorsteps through an electronic mode. This could be learning how to book the electronic tickets, railway tickets, the bus tickets through the electronic medium, use mobile phones, use computers, and also equip them with the knowledge, basic know-how of the internet. The idea on the whole and soul is to bring an awareness and the ability at a citizen level, at a grassroots level in the villages, to make sure that people in the family is digital literate and they're able to take the maximum utilization of the facilities. It may be transactional facilities, it may be e-commerce based facilities, it may be the facilities provided by the government to people to use by themselves, and they should be self-equipped and self-sufficient to draw the mission of e-governance in a very good consortium with Government of India and state government. Yes, Honorable CM has been a mission guiding role. He has been talking about Bangaru Telangana and is talking about Gram Swaraj concept. And Honorable CM has always been talking about that till we equip a citizen at till we don't equip a citizen at a grassroots level, it is not possible. Taking the cue forward, Honorable Minister for IT, Shri K.T. Rama Rao Garu, has laid a proper IT plan for us where digital literacy is an important quotient. And since we have a support from Government of India in that, so he has laid the foundation of the whole program. He has guided on the phase-wise and the module-wise steps that we have to take. So we are looking forward to take it forward under the Digital Literacy Mission. We are looking forward to equip us with Digital India program, where National Optical Fiber Network Limited and other initiatives will come in place. So Honorable Minister himself monitoring each activity on a daily basis. And at a department level, IT Secretary is very keen and he's engaged in a day-to-day planning and implementation work. We look forward to make Telangana a digital literate Telangana, a able Telangana, a Swarnim Telangana. And though we are a 29th state, but we would be in the league of the most well-equipped and the finest state in the country. This is the vision. Thank you so much. Thank you.